Once upon a time, in a dense, dark forest, there lived a unique spider named Silvia. Unlike her fellow arachnids, Silvia was a diving bell spider, known for her extraordinary ability to weave an air-filled web underwater. Silvia lived near a tranquil pond, where she spun her magical web, a marvel of nature that allowed her to breathe and hunt beneath the water's surface. She was admired by all the creatures of the forest for her extraordinary talent. One day, a young deer named Daisy ventured near Silvia's pond. Intrigued by the tales of Silvia's underwater web, she decided to visit the spider. Daisy approached the pond with curiosity and asked, "How do you manage to live and spin your web underwater, Silvia?" Silvia, with a loving smile, replied, "My dear Daisy, I have learned to adapt to my environment. I have been given a unique ability, and it is my responsibility to use it wisely." Daisy, inspired, asked, "But what if others don't have the same abilities as you?" Silvia thought for a moment and then answered, "It doesn't matter if others can't dive underwater like me. Each creature has its own strengths and weaknesses. The important thing is to use our abilities to help and support one another." Daisy, touched by Silvia's wise words, promised to remember her lesson. She returned to the forest, spreading the message of unity and cooperation among the forest's inhabitants. From that day forward, the forest was a place of harmony and understanding, where each creature embraced their unique abilities and worked together to create a beautiful symphony of life. And Silvia, the diving bell spider, continued to spin her silent symphony, reminding everyone of the importance of using their abilities for the greater good. Moral: each of us has unique abilities that can benefit others. Use your talents wisely, and work together with others to create a harmonious world. ****